welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chels with Beauty is My Duty, and today I really wanted to sit down and create a makeup look, so I decided, as it's Valentine's Day around the corner, to create a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. This shows you step by step how I created this look, and it is my take on how I would do a Valentine's Day makeup look. I'm definitely going to be wearing this Valentine's Day, and I'm super excited to show you all how I created this look step by step. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the tutorial on how I created this look. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids. So this is the P. Louise base, which I always use. Absolutely love this product. So I just apply like a little dot onto both of the eyes like this. And then I'm going to be using this much loved fluffy brush. This is great because it really blends out the base, and I've always used this brush. It's just the perfect size for underneath my eyes. And then we're just going to repeat the process. Really pushing, stippling motions. This is the Wonder Whip pencil from Pink Honey, and I just used this to fill in my eyebrows, as you can see. And then after this I used the Got To Be Glued brow gel. I am going to go in with this Sweet Oasis palette. This is honestly my favourite. Like, I love Morphe so much. It's a palette that I always reach for. And I've also got a selection of brushes. I actually have the new Made by Mitchell brushes as well. They were on TikTok shop, which TikTok shop I've actually been loving. It's actually a problem. Like, I love a good deal. So I'm going to be using this flat kind of brush here for starters. I'm going to go in and I am going to use the lightest pink shade called Love Struck. So we're just going to kind of apply this in the transition of the eye as a transition shade. We're just going to blend. Blend, blend, blend. And you do have to kind of keep building up the product. That is the first layer. It's really pretty, really subtle. Now we're going to start adding some definition to the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with the shade called Private Villa, and it's slightly darker. It is a slightly darker shade. We're going to focus this only on the outer portion, maybe across the top as well, a little bit like a C shape. And now I'm going to go between, using this slightly wider fluffier brush right here to blend out the edges. So now we have this outcome from the eyeshadows, which is really lovely. We want to keep blending. This is a darker kind of pink shade. So now I'm going to focus on the inner portion of the eye, and I'm going to just add some more of the lightest colour. That I used. Just going back over really from intensifying the blend. I'm actually going to go in with the Morphe palette again, I think. And then I'm going to, on top of that, put some glitters. So you layer in the eyeshadows type thing. I'm actually thinking about using like a champagne gold. So I'm going to use a flat brush. And I am going to go in and use champagne, a mix of champagne and ice. Thinking just us two actually. So that is the champagne shade, bit of frost. As well. So I'm going to go in with this and put this just like as a rough cut crease, really. So this just adds lovely sparkles to the eyes. And I'm doing it in a real subtle way. It looked really cool. So yeah, I'm just deepening that up. Because I just think it looks nice. And that just ties the whole look in together, and then we can go with a more kind of deeper colour. Private Villa, I'm just, no, it's picture perfect actually. Okay, so now I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara to the look. So I'm going to do like a simple eyeliner across the top of the lash line, and I really like it. It's really good. So I'm just going to do like a simple eyeliner. I also applied the Made by Mitchell All Smudge No Budge eyeliner in the shade Make a Toast, just on the bottom waterline to add that definition there. Really like how it looks. It gives that smoky kind of sultry vibe. I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift Mascara just on the top of my eyelashes for now. As you can see, these are really, really pretty. I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation today. Now, this foundation in particular is one that I will be keep on using in years and years time. It's just perfect. It doesn't break me out. It's mattifying. It doesn't make your skin greasy throughout the day. It's oil control. In my opinion, it's probably the best foundation I've ever tried in a long time. But before I apply the foundation, I'm going to prime. And to prime, I use the Maybelline Fit Me normal to oily skin mattifying primer with SPF 20. And then we're just gonna blend this all evenly, distributing the product all over the face on the places where it needs it. So the T-zone, and the nose. It smells divine as well. I love this primer. Now I'm going to go in with one pump of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 185, and we're just going to pop a little bit, one pump onto the back of this brush, and one pump is honestly plenty, so a little bit goes a long way. So that is the foundation applied, and I'm aware now I look quite pale, but we'll get there. So now I'm going to be applying some concealer in the inner parts of my eyes. And that is all I'm going to do for concealer, because I don't really need much else. And then I'm going to be using this brush that I used earlier on. Blending in where I need to. Okay, just lightly. With the setting powders, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless powder, just in the areas where I think I need it, which is under the eyes. Around the nose. Temples. Chin. And by the eyebrows. This is what it looks like. I really like it. I think it's brilliant, and it has all different shades for all different skin tones. So I'm going to be using a mixture between Ginger Biscuit and Mushroom Bloom, and I'm going to use this side. Okay. And now I'm going to go in with the Cheek Stars palette by Benefit. I love this one and I've used it for years, just think that the Sugar Bomb blusher will go really, really nicely. So I'm going to dip into that. Like so. And then I am going to go in and I'm going to use a really nice highlighter, a shade called Seychelles. This is really beautiful, it really is just stunning. Well, I'm going to be using the Kiko Beauty Essentials lipstick, and this comes with a lip pencil and a lip liner, so I'm going to be lining my lips with this as it's a really nice match. The lipstick now. It's double ended and I really like this colour. And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below to join the beauty family. And I'll see you in my next upload. Bye!